Hey everyone, so this is just a quick reminder to please support my new channel, Talks with Deezer. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I've had nearly 2,000 views on the announcement that I've made, and I've got 200 and something subscribers on my new channel. So thank you to each and every one of you who've supported and subscribed. Guys, That Being Said TV has over 11,000 subscribers. Please, can you support me? Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, you know, when any YouTuber is starting out, their main goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we have 11,000 subscribers over here, That Being Said TV. Please help my new channel, Talks with Deezer, to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to drop the next video. So please, I'm asking for your help. I'm asking for your support to support my new channel, Talks with Deezer. Just type Talks with Deezer in. I'm going to put it up here on the screen. And please support my new channel. Please subscribe.